A spiritual mother and spiritual father is your source. They already created you together, and you have been sent to the womb. Okay? They never do any mistake. Your spiritual father and spiritual mother, they never do mistake. They are always lovable. In fact, they are love. They are nothing but love. So you are out of love. You are born out of love. Because your source is love. Forget about the temporary biological. They are just instruments, right? Your biological father and mother, they are simply a transport, a temporary transport. Don't give much importance about their love or the kindness or whatever. Forgive them. It's a kind of ignorance. The biological mother and the father, they think they are creating the child. They are not. They are just a vehicle, right? It's a kind of ignorance, the parental ignorance. I am not condemning the parents. I am only trying to give the ignorance, the part of the parents, biological parents. Either they are so much proud, either they are so much egoistic that they are creating a child. They think they are creating a child. They are not. They are simply vehicle. Every child is coming through the biological mother, that's all. It's a simple vehicle. There is nothing big to brag about. I am not here to simply console you. I am not here to give some counseling regarding this question. That's not my work at all. Rather, I am trying to give some insights and lights on this, which you carry in your heart for long, long years from your childhood, so that it will be healed today. You need a healing today. The healing is already happening by our discussion. It's a very long time wound you have been carrying. It may look like a simple matter about a name. It's not that. It's something very deep wound inside you. Wound. It needs a healing today. Through this discussion, through the understanding. You need to understand what is the name. We have been discussing elaborately. So, who is your original mother and father? Who is your original father and mother?
Well, it is.
I am not asking biological.
Great father, or
I am not asking about your biological.
the spiritual, the divine.
Divine. Both together. Divine means together. Togetherness, which you saw a kind of picture. People are trying to draw the picture. It's impossible to draw a picture. It is impossible to put it in an image. Somehow people trying and putting a name like Ardhanarishwara. That's not complete. Whatever we are trying to say is incomplete about divine. Somehow they draw on male side and female side together and all these kind of imaginations. But certainly one thing, it's both mother and father together. That's your parent. You come from that. You come from that. They are nothing but love. Divine is nothing but love. That means you come out of love. You came out of love to this world.